How to add location on your profile on Rednote app. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through on how you can add location on your profile on Rednote app. So if you're also wondering how you can do that, these are the processes you may follow up, and you should also be able to add location on your profile on Rednote application. So first of all, go ahead and launch your Rednote application. After that, make sure you're logged in if you aren't, and head over to the Me tab at the bottom right corner of your screen. Just go ahead and tap on it. And when you head over there, you can easily find your profile page right here. So in order to add location, you can go ahead and tap on this profile on your profile page. And when you head over there, there are a bunch of options. You can go ahead and select the option called location, which is on the third last, and go ahead and tap on it. And in order to add location, you can just go ahead and tap on choose location from here. And after that, you can allow location if you want it to automatically detect it. Otherwise, you can go ahead and select your country from here. After that, if you want your location to be displayed publicly, you can go ahead and enable this option called show location, and your location should be displayed under your profile. So these are the processes you may follow up in order to add location in your profile on Rednote application as well. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.